I was thinking I might do a 50p coin hunt, and then I thought, well, actually, why don't I do another one of those weeks where I do 5 50p coin hunts in 1 week? £100 a day. What do you think? Did we like the last one? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we might as well have a look at the book at the start of the week. We found some great coins, but I'm still missing a Suffragettes. And of course, I'm missing a Kew Gardens. WWF, archery, weirdly enough, athletics, badminton, bocce, boxing, canoeing, cycling, equestrian, fencing should go there, goalball, handball should go there, judo, very hard coin to find I think, sailing, shooting, whiff-waff, table tennis, volleyball, wheelchair rugby, Squirrel Nutkins, 2018 Peter Rabbit, and then the very last one we're looking for is a Mrs. Tittlemouse. And that's it. We have everything else right up to the most amazing Queen Elizabeth II memorial coin with Charlie Boy on the back. Front, sorry, whatever. There we go. Let's get on with it. Right, so this is the plan. The plan is to take 10 bags out of here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. So that'd be my first 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's tomorrow night. That's Tuesday night. I'm glad when it works out. I've got 5 there for Wednesday night. Obviously, I'll take 5 more out of that bag for Wednesday night, Thursday night, and Friday night. Right. So these are our first few bags right there. I did very well. Obviously, by the time you see this, you would have seen the first 5 videos I did like this, and we did amazingly well. A really good week. So fantastic. That is your bog standard Britannia. There's one year that we might keep hold of, which is 2008, which is a low mintage year. Maybe keep hold of that one, maybe not. And then Britannia's really, there's a lot more to look out for. Sorry, Shields, there's a lot more to look out for. Then we are looking for some NIFC years, which is not intended for circulation. They're only meant to be in collector's packs. Never actually made, never minted for circulation. And that is the years 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18 and 21. So yeah, and there's a low mintage year of 2017. Almost forgot. 2012. I'm looking for 2020 Shields. I have got one, but I'm happy to find more. That's what's 1997? But look at it's almost like a 3D smoky ghosty thing going on there. What's that about? Yeah, it's just a plain old Britannia, but I do like that. I love that little whatever's going on with that. You never know, I might even hang on to that as an oddities coin, maybe. But really, that's a bust bag. Oh well, I don't mind a bust bag if I get some last bag luck. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! Nice one. Let's turn it over. If you haven't already seen it, we can surprise you. I'm sure you clocked it. I'm sure I zoomed in on it. So there There we go. Second bag luck. Is that a thing? I don't know. Right. Oh, no. Oh, no, I've dropped it. Oh, dear. That is not the one I got excited about. This one is just a dictionary, which don't care about. Right, where are you? It is. Oh, this is a good start. Good start to the week. Look at that. Come on, camera, focus. 2011. And it is not a shield. There we go. Handball. We need that for the book. Winner. Winning at life. Woohoo! Whoop whoop. Hey. I was watching a Rich H video the other day, 50p coin hunt, and he found Olympic cycling, and he was so calm about it, and I was like, no, what? In the comments I put I would at least give him that a whoop whoop. So I've got to give my own Olympic finds a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Alright, 14. We can just crack on till tomorrow now, I think. Look at that funny old one. What else? What's this? Look at that. Poor old Queenie. There we go. Ooh. That one can go back. I found handball. I found handball. Okay, yes, enough of that. We will not be continuing that throughout the week. Don't worry. Da-da-da. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sound like Eddie Murphy. Do you ever remember watching that? I've got an ice cream. I've dropped my ice cream. Anyway. Right. Ugh. The old sort of penny black effect. I really like that sort of thing. I really do like that look. I wish we did some more, or we had some coins like that in British circulation. Penny black. I don't know if that was Isle of Man, or I know it was a Pubjoy mint coin, but I can't remember what territory that was for. So, Right, 2022 coin. The date on this bag is actually the 7th of the 11th, 2022. So I wasn't really thinking we'll find any memorial coins in there. Could find some pride coins in here, maybe, but I'm assuming that's the 70th anniversary. It is. Cool. I'm happy. I'll take that. We got 3 more bags. Oi, we got a Scouts. We got a Scouts. I'm happy with that. Diversity Built Britain. Top of that stack. We'll go over there. Last bag and last bag luck. Last bag luck. Last bag luck. Alright. Come on. We found an Olympic. It's an Olympic for the book. I'm very happy with that. But I always want more. Always want more. 2005. I thought that could be an 8 for a second. A quick glance. There we go. Come on. Oh, bus bag. Oh dear. Right, well there we go. That ain't bad, is it? First night of the week. Is there any point in hanging on to those? I don't know. I do like that one actually. Don't know. I really like. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, we have a star find for today, and that is the Olympic handball. Very nice. Shall I put that in the book now or wait till the end of the week? Let's put it in the book now. No, I'm going to put it in the book at the end of the week. For the moment, I'm going to leave it down there as the bottom row finds. And bottom row finds in my videos are the best finds. Any top row goes back. Bottom row, I want to keep them close to me. Do you know what I mean? So they don't get away from me. So that's Monday night's find there. Rest of the week, it's going to be a massive long line of amazing coins by the time we get to Friday. Oh, no, I'm going to chuck them back. I'm going to chuck all of these back. Even the 70th anniversary. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll chuck them back at the end of the week. Let's just leave a little collection there. Stop faffing about, Trev. Okay, so let's have a little sneaky peek. Sneaky peek? Okay, so let's have a little sneaky peek of tomorrow's video. Well, obviously, we're looking for any commemoratives, really. Happy to find anything. But if we can find some Olympics, 2018. Whoop, whoop. The last time I did this, I found 2 Newtons. And look, what pops up again. Okay, thanks for watching to the end. I hope you like this format. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Always interests me. Sound like Al from Absolute Coins there. Anyway, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. We'll see you tomorrow. Until that video tomorrow, keep looking out for those coins to collect.